Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. आज हम गेट लाइफ साइंस के पेपर से एक बायोकेमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. Indicate the correct group that contains a monosaccharide, disaccharide and a trisaccharide. क्वेश्चन बहुत बेसिक है. ऑप्शंस में ऑप्शन ए है ग्लूकोज, सुक्रोज, मैनोज. ऑप्शन बी है राइबोज, लैक्टोज, रैफिनोज. ऑप्शन सी इज मैनोज, माल्टोज एंड लैक्टोज. एंड ऑप्शन डी सेज रैफिनोज, स्टैकेओज, glucose. Okay, so sorting our options as a monosaccharide, disaccharide and trisaccharide. When we sort out monosaccharides, we get three monosaccharides which are given in option: glucose, mannose and ribose. Glucose is a 6-carbon sugar. It is formed after the metabolism and utilized for the production of energy. ATP is formed after the utilization of glucose. This is a aldehydic sugar and 6 carbon, so it is a aldohexose sugar. The second one is a mannose. It is again a 6 carbon sugar and it is also aldohexose. Mannose is a C2 epimer of glucose. Another monosaccharide in option is a ribose sugar. This is a 5-carbon sugar and this is a part of nucleotide. In case of DNA or RNA, it is ribose nucleic acid or it is a deoxyribose nucleic acid. So ribose sugar is present in a structure of DNA and RNA. This is a aldopentose, aldehydic sugar having 5 carbon atoms. Disaccharides given in option are lactose, sucrose and maltose. Here lactose is a milk sugar found in milk and dairy products. It is made up of glucose and galactose. There is a beta 1,4 linkage between galactose and glucose when lactose is formed. The second one is a sucrose. This is nothing but table sugar. This is made up of monosaccharides, glucose and fructose. This is a major transport form in plants. The third disaccharide is a maltose. This is made up of 2 glucose units and this is present in seeds. During the sprouting process, the utilization of maltose for energy is done in seeds. The trisaccharide from the option is a raffinose. This is made up of glucose, galactose and fructose. This is found in plants and it serves as a desiccation protection in seeds. This is a major component in sugar beets. This is a trisaccharide. Staccaose given in option is a tetrasaccharide having 4 monosaccharides linked with each other. Here there is a 2 D-galactose, 1 D-glucose and 1 D-fructose is present in staccaose. This is found in many vegetables. It is found in green beans, soya beans. It is also present in plants. तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि ऑप्शन 1 में ग्लूकोज इज अ मोनोसैकेराइड, मैनोज इज अ मोनोसैकेराइड, सुक्रोज इज डाइसैकेराइड. तो ये ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता, इसमें ट्राइसैकेराइड नहीं है. दूसरे ऑप्शन में राइबोज इज मोनोसैकेराइड, लैक्टोज इज डाइसैकेराइड एंड रैफिनोज इज अ ट्राइसैकेराइड. तो ये ऑप्शन हो सकता है. ऑप्शन सी में मैनोज इज मोनोसैकेराइड अगेन, माल्टोज एंड लैक्टोज आर डाइसैकेराइड्स. तो ये ऑप्शन भी नहीं है. ऑप्शन डी में रैफिनोज is a trisaccharide, staccaose is tetrasaccharide and glucose is monosaccharide. So here option B must be the correct answer. क्योंकि यहाँ पे राइबोज मोनोसैकेराइड, लैक्टोज डाइसैकेराइड and raffinose is a trisaccharide type of sugar. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Here I have concluded with today's video. I will be there with more videos having solved questions from GATE examination. So keep watching my channel, my videos. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.